go. It's crazy. I can't remember the last time it didn't hurt.
What surgery did you have and how long ago was it?
6.5 weeks, reverse rotator.
Okay. What problems were you having before surgery?
Unable to use my shoulder. I couldn't lift my arm above my shoulder height. Couldn't lift anything.
Describe the pain.
Anywhere from 6 to 10.
Was it like constant or mainly when you used it?
When I moved it, sleeping on it, even if I slept on my back, if I didn't have my arm in the right position, my shoulder just wouldn't let me sleep.
How was the surgery and how are you doing now?
The surgery was great.
And did you have to take a lot of pain meds?
I did for 2 days.
Okay. When did the pain get better?
Once I stopped taking the pain medicine.
Oh, okay.
And believe it or not, I quit taking it and it just slowly just went away. And within a week, there was no pain unless I actually started, physical therapy, started moving it.
6 weeks out, show me what you got. And you couldn't do that before surgery?
No, I could take it to right about there.
Okay.
I can go all the way out here. I can bend it. I'm picking up probably 5 pounds max, but this right here, I'd be hurting. Unless I do stuff, my shoulder never hurts.
Okay.
It's just walking around, shaking people's hands, pulling chairs. I go, it's crazy. I can't remember the last time it didn't hurt.
Okay, awesome. Do you mind showing me your scar?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna get closer to that. It looks good. Thank you, friend.
Yep.